Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, where we film inside, where you have to listen to the refrigerator whenever the weather is bad. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make Cheerwine Gummy Bears, and gummy bottles too. I'm kind of a big fan of Cheerwine, so whenever I saw their Facebook post about making gummy bears, I knew I had to make it. I immediately bought gummy bear molds. I've been making gummies for a long time now. I used to make Ninja Turtle gummies with fruit juice and stuff. I don't think I've ever made any with pop. But let's get this started. Here's what you're gonna need for this recipe. You're gonna need at least 3 molds. You can find these on Amazon. A candy dropper. 1 cup of Cheerwine. On their website they say to use sugar-free, but I couldn't find any sugar-free at the one store, the one Walmart that sells this. I know they have it in gas stations too, but I never see sugar-free anywhere. And 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. First, bring your Cheerwine up to a boil and then whisk in that gelatin until fully combined. Once your mixture is fully combined, drop it all into those molds and then freeze overnight. And this is what they'll look like when they're done. All right, everybody, now for the taste test. I'm excited. I don't know if I really even taste any. No. I really don't taste any Cheerwine in these. I mean, they definitely look cool. That sucks. Maybe microwaving them, like they said, would be better. But I don't know. Maybe I'll try that too sometime. But as of right now, like, I feel like there's another ingredient in there maybe other than, gelatin. I mean, there is, but like, I mean, tasting it wise, I mean, I think you could tell, but like, I don't know, maybe that's just my mind wanting to tell me, hey, there's something else in here and you know it and da-da-da, but I wouldn't fool with making them. I would maybe try the microwave, recipe, which is like, it's the same recipe, just done in the microwave. Maybe that will help. I don't know. But I know I didn't cook these that long. I brought them up to a boil, like I said, and I took them off the heat. So, I mean, but Cheerwine is a good brand. It's great pop. I drink it. Go and drink some Cheerwine if you'd like to have some. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. And remember, guys, do as I always say and just have fun with it. If you work at a factory that makes conveyors, just have fun with it. They're going to make shirts for a living. Just have fun with it. If anyone's wondering, this is not the merch that I was talking about. This is what my brother and his girlfriend got me for Christmas, but there is merch coming. So just have fun with that, guys. Just have fun with it. I'm talking hopefully hats, mugs, shirts. Somebody said aprons. Thank you for that idea. I don't know why I didn't think of that. That is seriously a great idea. Also, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit the little bell for notifications. That way, whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm. Please have a great day, night, wherever you're at, everyone.